Are you torn between the sleek new iPhone 15 Pro and the innovative Google Pixel 9 Pro? In this video, we dive deep into the ultimate showdown between these two flagship giants. Stay tuned to find out which phone deserves your hard-earned cash. Welcome back to CellWave. Today, we're comparing the iPhone 15 Pro and the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Let's get started. The iPhone 15 Pro has a sleek all-glass design with a stainless steel frame, while the Pixel 9 Pro features a matte finish with an aluminum frame. Both feel premium, but which one do you prefer? The iPhone 15 Pro offers a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, while the Pixel 9 Pro has a 6.7-inch OLED display. Both are vibrant and sharp. The iPhone 15 Pro is powered by the A17 Bionic chip, and the Pixel 9 Pro features the Tensor G3 chip. We'll run some benchmarks to see which one performs better. The iPhone 15 Pro has a triple camera setup, while the Pixel 9 Pro is known for its computational photography. Let's compare some sample shots. The iPhone 15 Pro promises up to 20 hours of video playback, while the Pixel 9 Pro claims up to 24 hours. We'll test them out. iOS versus Android. We'll explore the unique features of iOS 17 on the iPhone 15 Pro and Android 14 on the Pixel 9 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro starts at $999, while the Pixel 9 Pro is priced at $899. Which one offers better value? Which phone should you buy? Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons and reviews. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video comparing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the Xiaomi Mix